Forget soaring eagles or fast falcons. The deadliest, most vicious bird in the Southern Ocean is a duck. It's massively built, it weighs up to 15 pounds, and it absolutely cannot fly. Meet the Flightless Tyrant. The genus Tachyeres, the steamer ducks, represents one of nature's greatest paradoxes, an avian specialist that willingly abandoned the singular trait defining its class. 3 of the 4 surviving species are permanently grounded, and even the flying steamer duck rarely bothers to take off. But here's the key. They didn't forget how to fight. They just re-engineered their equipment. We're talking about the Magellanic Flightless Steamer Duck, a massive 7-kilogram monster that routinely kills other waterfowls several times its size. How? By turning its wings into lethal weapons. Every single one of these ducks retains incredibly powerful pectoral muscles and a deep, pronounced breast keel, the anatomical anchors that should power flight. But instead, they power aquatic warfare. When threatened, this duck unleashes a behavior called steaming. It flaps its stubby wings across the water like a paddle boat, generating forward thrust with furious speed, reaching up to 24 kilometers per hour. This rapid locomotion serves a dual purpose: escape and, more importantly, obscuring its profile from underwater predators like the killer whale and the sea lion. But the real threat to arrival comes down to the bird's wrist. Dry humor. They possess bony, hard protrusions, the carpal knob, which they use as knuckle dusters in brutal territorial combat. They grab an opponent by the neck and deliver blows capable of causing skull fractures. They truly are the tyrants of the Patagonian coast. Now, the burning question: why would a bird exchange air superiority for a pair of marine speed skates? The answer lies in the extreme south, the cost of insulation. Water sucks heat from a body 25 times faster than air. For the steamer duck, evolution selected for bulk. Greater body size means a lower surface area to volume ratio, making heat retention vastly more efficient in that cold, turbulent environment. This massive body size, up to 7 kilograms in the flightless species compared to around 3 kilograms for the flying cousin, pushes the duck past the aerodynamic threshold of 2.5 grams per centimeter squared, making flight physically impossible. This trade-off was permitted because the Patagonian littoral provides reliable, all-year-round food, making the primary benefit of flight, migration, irrelevant. This specialization is currently ongoing. The closest relative, the flying steamer duck, which is significantly smaller, is locked in an evolutionary battle. Its largest males often grow too heavy and accidentally become permanent members of the flightless club. This entire transition, incidentally, is linked to subtle changes in skeletal growth governed by a bone development gene called DYRK1A. Its evolution in real time, playing out across a spectrum of aerodynamic failure. But this perfectly adapted tyrant faces a new threat its phylant morphology can't repel: invasion. Steamer ducks nest only on islets to escape terrestrial mammals, yet researchers found their nests are now being systematically raided by 2 predators, the native Fujian coupe fox and, more insidiously, the American mink. The mink, an invasive semi-aquatic predator, is aggressively expanding its range into these refugee islands. While the steamer duck spent millions of years perfecting its defenses against cold and aerial threats, it hasn't evolved a winning defense against this mammalian menace. If this cost of insulation allows the duck to survive the Antarctic winter, the price of resisting the modern invasive predator may be far higher.